Jain sir, regimental number TN18SW608090, Lance Corporal Lalita Shravani reporting sir. Sir, today my topic is about sleep hygiene. Before going to the topic of sleep hygiene, let me tell about the definition of hygiene. What is meant by hygiene? Hygiene is nothing but performing some activities in our daily life to keep ourselves healthy. There are many personal hygienes like brushing teeth, bathing daily, and avoid caffeines or drinks, sleeping properly, and many more. What is meant by sleep hygiene? Sleep hygiene is nothing but having a proper sleep during a particular time. Like why this sleeping hygiene need? So there is a slogan called better sleep, better health, better planet. Yes, everything is interlinked. When we have a better sleep, it always increases our lifespan. Our brain functions works properly. So we can have a better life. Whenever we have a better life, we have a better society, better environment, and a better planet. As per some statistics, almost 35% of the people have been suffering from sleeping disorders. Almost 46 people have been reporting that because of the sleeping disturbances, they have an issues in their working place, or they may be doing errors in the working place. Almost 1500 people having some related accidents, like sleeping related accidents. Do we consider this sleeping order as a small problem? Obviously not. There are some sleeping orders like sleep apnea, means they do there is some abnormalities in breathing during the sleeping time. Insomnia means they doesn't feel sleepy during the night time, or they sleep difficultly during night time, like and many more. Is there like any consequences of this sleeping order? Yes, the answer is yes. Because of sleeping disorders, they doesn't feel proper sleep, means the person's mood is very low and bad. So whenever he interacted with his family members or with the people, he always have some negative effects in his relationships. He doesn't have not only interaction, personally also he do have some negative effect in his body. He doesn't think properly. He will always be in a sleepy mood, and also the oxygen level also decreases because of this day by day. Is there importance to restore the sleeping hygiene? Yes. Whenever we have a good quality of work, good quality of sleep, then only there will be a good quality of work, like the brain functions properly. As per researchers, this scientists said that we better to have a quantity of sleep than quality of sleep. Yes, it whenever we have a proper quantity of sleep, it always keeps our mind alert. It always impacts on our body when we have a better sleep. These are some tips, to have a better sleep. Avoid coffee. Some of them are avoid caffeine. Like don't take any coffee, cool drinks before going to the sleep. Like 3 to 4 hours before the sleep. Better environment to sleep, like quiet and comfortable place and bed to have a better sleep. Whenever we have a disturbances during the sleeping time, we don't feel like a sleepy. There'll always some sounds in our ears. This doesn't feel a good sleep. And take a bath. Take a hot water bath before 1-2 hours. Whenever we take a bath, this will increase our body temperature. Whenever we sleep, this levels the body temperature. This means we are balancing our temperature with our sleep. Sleep regularly at the same time. Like whenever we sleep at 11 p.m., then always a person needs to sleep 11 p.m. So this usually helps him maintaining same timing, whatever the day may be. But he need to sleep at the same time what he regularly sleep. Next, eat at right time. Whenever he eats, whenever he take a proper diet, then then he can have a proper health. So even we can't so he have a better sleep. When we sleep with an empty stomach, this always disturbances during the midday. Avoid taking the naps during the daytime. Whenever we feel tired during the time, we take a nap during the daytime, but this decreases our tiredness, so we can't sleep properly during the night time. So better to avoid to taking a naps during the daytime. These are some of the tips to have a better sleep. Thank you.